I can feel you getting closer.
Yo, what
What's going on, guys? Bradley Martyn here. Today, I'm just gonna work out. You're gonna see what I would just do if I just came to the gym and I just worked out and I wasn't like narrating or telling you what I was gonna do. So I'm just gonna train from my warm-up sets just to the end of the workout. So from here on out, no words. What that meant was no words. What do you want? Should I get Nick? Oh, I'm not supposed to talk. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why do you keep? Yo,
you keep talking, bro.
Kevin? I know, but I'm gonna stop right now.
No, bro, you said the last time you were gonna stop right now.
Listen, man, I'm stopping right now.
You didn't just get a pump?
I need a tan. No, I came to the gym like this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What are you hitting?
I didn't have a pump. I came like this.
Damn, bro.
I can feel you getting closer.
Yo, what are you doing,
I
bro?
can feel you getting closer.
Yo, come on, let's go.
Huh? I'm in a zone, bro.
What zone?
I'm in a different zone.
We gotta work out. Come on, we gotta keep going.
We're done.
Done?
Once I sat down, I was done.
Yeah?
But I'm gonna keep working out in a minute. But I just didn't want to talk this whole video.
No?
I didn't feel like it was necessary. We didn't even film everything too. I did like 10 other exercises.
10?
Nah, like 3. Realistically 3. But Kevin was like, yo, say something to him. Talk to the people, talk to the people. And I think all I really have to say is, just wait. Just wait. I mean, that's all there really is to say. Until you see the next video, the next thing, the next whatever it is, just wait. That's kind of all it's about. But make sure you subscribe, because if you're not subscribed, with the little stupid bell thing with the little things on it, then you won't know when it comes. And when it comes, you won't be as ready to get more prepared. When you when you see it, you're like, oh shit, I gotta get ready. And if you're not, you can't get ready. There's other people who are gonna be ready before you.
Yeah.
That are subscribed.
You don't want that.
You don't want that.
I wouldn't want that.
No, because then you gotta act later, and then you're like, oh shit, I missed it.
Then you're reactive instead of proactive.
Exactly.
And you want to be proactive.
So being proactive is subscribing in the little bell thing, and then understanding that this year it's gonna be a good year. I'm excited.
More meditation. Bro, you got 3 more minutes of meditation.
I did 20, bro. So not a good year just for me and for Kev, but a good year for you, every single one of you guys. Every single one of you watching this video, like, understand that if you want to make it a good year, then just make it a good year. If you want to make it a good day, then just make it a good day.
Good year,
there's always going to be shit going on, good and bad, but you decide to make it what you want to make it. So understand that. And people will always talk, and it's okay. You let them. You make sure that you focus on what you're talking about. If you're talking about doing something, then you need to go in that direction and do it. Don't just do this. Don't just do this. Trust me. Because Kevin does a lot of that. I'm like, bro, stop.
That's you, bro.
That's not, I'm just kidding. Kevin didn't do that. But yeah, I'm excited. Just genuinely excited about the gym, opening all that shit, because if you stay for this long in the video, after my rambling like 20 seconds ago about meditation, then you probably really fuck with me, so you know what's really gonna happen. The gym's opening. I'm excited for every single one of you guys to come check it out, have fun with me and Kevin. And I'm excited for a new chapter.
Kevin and I.
Kevin and I. Yeah, you are.
I messed that up.
Twitter hates me for that. Yeah. At least once a day when I do it, someone will be like, you're. And the grammar police gets me too. Anyways, I'm excited because when the gym comes, we're gonna create a new dynamic on the YouTube channel. So it's gonna be like rebirth. Like, I'm gonna involve so much more of you guys, because you're gonna be in the gym, at the gym, visiting, whatever. More of you guys in the videos, more of Kevin in the videos, but you've never seen him at all in any of these videos.
Damn, bro.
Kevin's gonna be in the videos.
I'm not even a real person, though.
No, you're just a floating tripod. Yeah, with it makes noise. And I program it before the videos.
But I got arms too.
Yeah, but I program it all before the video.
Yes.
So you're like an AI.
Yes, Brad.
Yeah.
Yes, Brad.
Okay, it was twice. I put it in there twice. Anyways, the point is, it's gonna be cool, and I'm excited to share that with you guys, like the new wave, like where we're gonna go with this. We're still gonna keep all the, the videos that you like now, and all the ones that you don't like now as well. We're gonna keep, but we're gonna change it up. It's gonna be a different dynamic. I think it's gonna be more fun, more like a show, involving more people instead of just me, because that can get boring.
Yeah, man. Who's Bradley Martyn?
Who is that guy?
Who's at Bradley Martyn?
Who is at Bradley Martyn on Instagram? Go follow me. I love you.